Check the distributor valve for correct functioning. Connect the pressure gauge to the test fitting. In the initial state, the brake pipe should be charged. The pressure gauge B30 reads 5 bar. The pressure at the test fitting should be 70% of the maximum service brake pressure. Now apply the emergency brake electrically. Check and ensure if the C pressure at the test fitting rises to the emergency brake pressure, which is around 3 bar. Now close the stopcock B04.2 and check if the brake control unit is vented. Lower the distributor valve pressure via the driver's brake valve to more than 3.5 bar. Now check if the brake cylinder pressure at the test fitting must reflect the maximum brake cylinder pressure, that is 3 bar approximately plus minus 0.25 bar. Charge the brake pipe pressure to 5 bar and check if the C pressure at the test fitting is 0 bar. If not, change the distributor valve. After finishing the test, open the stopcock B04.2 and restore the brake system to its initial state.